Hello, welcome back to the boat tour. So today we are in the Gulf Craft factory where this boat has been built and it's come back to be sold. So this is a Nomad 95 SUV Explorer yacht. Built in 2021, we'll show you the layout. This has a 5-cabin layout, so instead of the sky lounge, we've got another master cabin up there. We've got amazing choices of the interior, the wood colours, and also all the optional extras. So we'll go on board, we'll show you around. You can let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments. And if you'd like to view the boat is for sale exclusively with Bush & Noble. So the full specification is on their website at bushandnoble.com. Come on board. So we'll start you at the transom of the boat. Here we've got the tender garage and the beach club. So we can see we've got this 600-kilogram crane. So if you want to put your tender in there, that just goes all the way in, and that can drop either the tenders, the jet skis straight in, or a lot of people use this as a beach club. As you can see, you can open this, you can have the removable chairs, making it really nice sun loungers. We've got these lights as well, so at night time, this is a very, very nice place. This is a hydraulic lid, so this will close away when you don't want anything or if you wanted to store everything. And then you've got access to the cockpit, both starboard and port. So coming into the cockpit, as I said earlier, we've got access both sides, port and starboard. And then we see you've got the sidewalks to get to the bow. We've got this humongous fixed table with these amazing, really nice roped finished chairs and this fixed bench seating. You can see the garage is up at the moment. We've got access into the saloon with a sliding door, and where you are now is also another door into the crew lounge. We've got boarding gates here on the port and starboard, and then stairs up onto the flybridge and also to the master cabin. So let's cool everybody down and come into the saloon. Being a GCC spec boat, this aircon is absolutely amazing and it's very cool inside with the tinted windows. At the saloon area, we've got these massive sofas, we've got some really nice 2 seats, we've got storage, coffee tables and a big flat screen TV behind you that has all of the channels that you can need. Behind me here, we've got this dining room table with 10 seats, easy access into the galley on the port hand side, and then on the starboard side we've got the day head, making it nice and easy for guests, forward to the helm station, down and up into the other accommodation. We've got a fantastic galley here. We'll start with this fire door. So if you've got guests inside, you want to keep all the smell out, you can close that door each time so none of the food goes in, none of the food smell. Everything, all the appliances are Siemens in here. So we've got a dishwasher, microwave, we've got oven and hob there. We've also got connectivity through all of the cabins. So everywhere in this boat has a phone. So you can call the galley if you need anything and vice versa. More storage, lots of working area, so a perfect place to either cook for yourself or have the crew cook for you. So from the saloon we'll walk towards the bow. We've got the day heads here on the starboard side, which we spoke about earlier. We've got some more storage here. And then normally on these 95s, this is always the owner's cabin. But obviously on this one, we've got an owner's cabin above us. We've got a huge wardrobe with a safe inside. We've got a watertight door to take you to the side decks. We've got this dressing table, more storage underneath, and obviously this huge TV that comes out from the ceiling, which is really cool. Island berth, king size bed, more storage around here. Again, one of these connectivity phones, and then we've got the heads this side. Just a quick look here in the VIP cabins, heads, ensuite. We've got the sink there, we've got the marine toilet, and we've got this huge shower, the rainfall head. So you can either use it from here or just the standard head. With heat created flooring, so it's never slippy, and then this really nice seat. So that's a glass door, so you can keep that all separate from everybody. And the really nice touches with the Nomad towels. So we are in the lower accommodation. Behind me we've got another VIP cabin, which I'll show you. Here on the starboard side we've got a laundry room, so we've got a hot dryer, a washer, and lots of space to keep all the towels and all the laundry. And then port and starboard we've got the twin single bed cabins on sliders, so that makes the bed slide across if you want a double bed, or how they are now with 2 singles. All cabins down here have en-suites, so it's very comfortable for all guests, and there's lots of space for everybody to enjoy themselves. As mentioned, we come down these stairs, the underlights make it look very modern, really nice. We've got the leatherette cream on the side, that handrail. Here on the starboard side, we've got that twin cabin, 2 single berths. You can see on the floor those rollers, so that can slide across to make the double bed. We've got huge portholes, got the wardrobe, mirror on the back of the door, and then all of these cabins have their own ensuite again, with this rain shower, nice sink, big mirror, and then heads. And then this is just carbon copied the other side, so exactly the same with these twin beds on sliders. We've got ensuite, shower, and then going forward, as mentioned, we've got this laundry room here. A good use of space. Got the towels, the bedding, and then the VIP cabin forward. This dressing table, escape hatch just there. Got island berth, either a dressing table or a desk here on the port side, and then another huge ensuite. Again with the sink, mirrors with the light, and then a walk-in separated shower, decorated flooring, and the rain shower if required. So let's walk you through here to the helm station. You've got an amazing rest point here, physical wheel, which is always nice to see. We've got a lounge here, so either officer of watch, or if you've got an auto helm, you just want to sit down and relax, you can do. So this boat is fully spec'd. We've got the Cat twin engines, which we'll show you later. We've got the Fleur included. We've got bow thrusters. We've got Navtex. We've got everything. We've got the Garmin. We've got auto helm, as I just said as well. We've got the steering on here, and also by the helm. And then we've got the sat phone, and then the internal phone as well. So everything you can need is done from down here. And also we have the remotes, so you can, when you're docking, you don't need to be inside. So this is what's custom with this boat. Normally this is a sky lounge, but the owner has decided to be very selfish and build himself a huge master cabin with these amazing views, big windows, obviously these 2 sliding doors where you are that takes you out to the sky lounge outside. We've got the ensuite in here, which I'll show you. We've also got more hanging lockers, some here as well, and this amazing central island berth that gives you a great view when you wake up in the morning, and also when you go to sleep. So here's the ensuite into the sky lounge cabin. You've got the his and her sinks this side. You've got the heads and the bidet. Got this amazing view. So because we're up to the 2nd or 3rd level, we've got the great height for the view, and then the walk-in shower, which all cabins in this boat have. It's really nice, no sharing showers, and then this rainfall again. And turning around and straight back in to the cabin, and you can see the door there out into the flybridge. This is a fantastic flybridge. So you can see you can either go through the stairs downstairs, or you can come through this master cabin. You've got the sidewalks as well, so you can go straight into the helm station. You've got this massive L-shaped sitting area with these removable chairs and coffee table as well. And here on the port side, we've got a massive grill, and then the sink for cooking or to make your drinks. The fridge for this is next to the helm station, so you can keep your drinks cool and bring them out, or you can bring them directly from the galley, which is just down those stairs. So here we are in the crew cabin. We've come down from the cockpit. There's a watertight door that brings you all the way here. I have to say, this is one of the best crew cabins that I've been on, especially for a 100-foot yacht. You can see you've got the mess here, so we've got the L-shaped sitting. We've got this huge galley. We've got the washing machine here. We've got a fridge freezer as well, so that's lots of space. And you can see all this compartment, and which we'll spin you around now. We'll show you these 3 massive crew cabins that we've got, with the captain having his own studio nearly, and then the 2 bunk cabins. So let's have a look at those. So here we are opposite the galley and the crew. As I was saying, we've got 2 bunks here, really long size, nice bunks. 1, 2 there. You've got the hanging wardrobe, and then you've got the heads through there. And then exactly the same the other side. You've got the double bunks, the hanging locker, and these two bunks share an ensuite. So you've got the shower here, you've got the toilet, and then the sink. Both these cabins with massive portholes, making it nice and light and airy in here, with their own aircon control units, and again another one of these phones that connects you to all of the cabins and all of the areas in this boat. Let's walk across to the captain's cabin. As I said earlier, this is huge. It feels like a little bit of a small studio. We've got the single berth there, another huge porthole with the control, emergency exit. In this panel, a small desk or area there, and then this big walkthrough with the storage, double hanging wardrobe here, and then an own ensuite with a sink this side, marine heads, another big window, and then of course this walk-in shower. Just the shower head just in the corner there. Coming back out into the crew mess here, we've got a huge table, L-shaped settee there, the galley that side, and then we've got that watertight door that we'll show you that takes you into the engine room, and then another flat screen Sony TV for the crew to watch anything they like. Now this engine room, as you can see, is absolutely spotless. The engines have been very well maintained. These are Cat C32, so they have 1,900 horsepower each. We've got a top speed around 23 and we're cruising around 17.5. Being a semi-displacement, this makes it a long-range boat, so we do about 1,000 nautical miles on a full tank, so you can really go exploring in this boat. We've got 2 collar generators here. We've got the fire extinguishers, automatic fire extinguishers. We've got all of the battery chargers, all the main battery switches. We've got little things like the engine cameras as well, so you can look on the chart plotters in the helm and have a look at what's going on in the engine room. I'll show you around shortly about all the little things that are in here, all the equipment and how it's laid out. And then where you're standing now is straight into the crew cabin, or there is another access straight up here onto the side. So that's the end of this tour of this Nomad 95 SUV built in 2021. We've showed you the accommodation, we've showed you the engine, the crew cabin, and also all of the equipment upstairs. As I said at the start, this boat is for sale with Bush & Noble, so you can see the full specification on their website at bushandnoble.com. Any questions you have, you can leave below or contact us if you would like to come see this boat in person. Thanks very much, and we'll see you next time.